Take a look at it. Just stand there for a second. The fescue is tall, yeah, but look at the color. See that pale tint? It's screaming for a drink. The sun's been beating on it all day, and it's starting to fold. Most guys would just wait for the rain, but you and I aren't most guys. We don't leave our foundation to chance. It's time to pay the lawn back for that first cut we took last week. Finish your coffee. Set the mug somewhere safe. Let's walk over to the spigot. Look at that hose. Is it kinked? Is it tangled? A man's life is like a garden hose, Gary. If you've got a kink in the line, it doesn't matter how hard you turn the handle. The pressure's just going to build up in the wrong place. Straighten it out. Loops, not tangles. We don't do tangles. Check the nozzle. If it's plastic, throw it in the toy box where it belongs. We're using the brass one today. Heavy, reliable. Feel that weight in your palm? That's called a standard. It's got that internal O-ring that actually seals. Quality isn't a luxury, Gary. It's a requirement for a job like this. Reach down and grab the handle of the spigot. Cold steel. Give it a deliberate turn. Hear that? That heavy thunk in the pipes. That's the sound of the house waking up. Feel the vibration in the hose as the water hits the nozzle. It's pressurized now. It's ready to work. Are you? Don't just start spraying. Stand here a second. Feel the cold water running through the rubber, cooling down your palm. If the neighbor looks over and wonders why you're just staring at the ground, let him wonder. You're calibrating. You're getting the internal timing right. Take a breath. Smell the dry dust and the heat coming off the siding. We're about to change the weather in this zip code. All right. Open it up. Not a mist. We aren't watering orchids. Give me a heavy, solid stream. There it is. Listen to that splat when it hits the dirt. Watch how the water beads up at first. That's resistance. The ground is stubborn. Just like us. You've got to stay on it until it gives in. Steady hands. Move the stream slow. If you move too fast, the water just runs off the top and hits the sidewalk. That's what Bob does next door. Bob's a surface guy. No soul in his fescue. We're going deep. We want the roots to reach down, not up. You want a life that can survive a drought? You've got to teach it to look for the water. I I wonder if the grass feels like it's at a spa right now. Or maybe it's more like a giant Gatorade shower after winning the big game. Probably the Gatorade. You know, I really should have trademarked that Grime Reaper name for the pressure washing business. I bet I could have had a fleet of trucks by now. I'd have a gold-plated nozzle. Probably too heavy to hold, though. Keep the stream steady. Switch hands. Your forearm's gonna get tight. That's just weakness leaving the muscle. Look at the color changing. From that dusty sage to a deep, heavy emerald. That's the reward. You're seeing the results in real time. How many things in your life give you results this fast? Not many. Enjoy it. Watch the runoff. If it's hitting the mulch, you're hitting it too hard. Finesse. It's a delivery system, not a riot hose. You're a professional hydration consultant today. I should get that put on a hat. Or a belt. A belt that holds a beer, a spare hose washer, and a level. The foreman's friend. That's $1 million idea right there. Just watch that corner. Don't let it dry out. Walk with me over to the big beds. Watch your step near the edging. We're heading for the heavy hitters. Those hydrangeas and the viburnum. They look thirsty, don't they? They're standing tall, but they're hollow inside. These aren't like the fescue. These are the anchors of the garden. They need the kind of drink that changes their DNA. Dial the nozzle back just a hair while we get into position. We're moving into the deep shade now. Look at the size of these leaves, Gary. They're like giant catcher's mitts waiting for a fastball. We're about to go from a backyard chore to an environmental event. Humidity's rising. The temperature in this corner just dropped 5 degrees. It's starting to smell like a jungle back here. You ever been to the tropics? Everything is wet. Everything is loud. Everything is alive. We're about to wake up the giants. Get a firm grip on that brass. Square your shoulders. I can feel the pressure humming in the line, Gary. It's ready to burst. We're about to break the seal on this whole afternoon. You ready to make it rain? I mean, really make it rain. We are about to adjust that nozzle. We are going to twist it all the way to the shower setting. Now, before you click into place, close your eyes. Imagine we're in a rainforest sanctuary. The air is heavy, the mist is rising, and the canopy is waiting for the storm. You there? Good. On my mark. Open it up. Give this garden the deluge it's been dreaming of. There it is. Aim it high. Let it arc. I want a canopy. A total wash. Forget the property line. Forget the mortgage. We aren't in the suburbs anymore. We're standing in a sanctuary. 1,000 miles from the nearest paved road. Listen to that roar. That's the sound of a world that doesn't care about your to-do list. It's a liquid wall. Luminous mist everywhere. Feel that heavy pulse in the ground. That's the earth opening up. It's taking it all in. You're the rainmaker now. You've created a place where time doesn't move. Just you, the brass nozzle, and the deluge. Stay here as long as you need. This is the center of the ritual. This is the peace you earned. Let the water run down your arms. Let it soak into the roots of everything you've planted. This isn't just maintenance. This is a reset. A heavenly sanctuary built with 40 feet of rubber and a dream. Breathe it in. The air is pure. The noise is perfect. Just stay in the spray. All right, slowly now. Bring the stream back down to earth. Open your eyes. See the driveway? It's still there. But it looks different now, doesn't it? Like you're seeing it through a clean lens. Hit that last corner by the mailbox. One final, deliberate pass. Maintain the boundary. Walk back to the spigot. Look at the yard. It's heavy. Satisfied. It's steaming a little in the sun. That's the yard saying thank you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Twist it shut. Listen to that silence. Coil it up. High-quality loops. No tangles. Respect the tool, Gary. Respect the ritual. You did the deep work. I'll see you at the fence line.